everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have something new, fun, and interesting today. I have a package from a company called the Sock Panda. Cute, cute packaging. I think they're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I think, yeah, at the Sock Panda, Panda Pal Socks. They're all the www.sockpanda.com. It's right on the package. I just pulled open the tab right there just to show you. And while I take everything out, I wanted to give you as much information as I could find on Sock Panda. I think their packaging is stunning, stunning, stunning. Let's see, I have some cards here. Welcome to Sock Panda. Thank you for becoming a new member. Let me just see. Sock Panda gives back. Thank you for helping us give back awesome socks. With every new order, we donate a pair of socks to those in need. As of today, the Sock Panda has donated over 138,000 pairs of socks to shelters, hospitals, schools, and communities across the country. Awesome. And they are from California, Culver City. Excuse me. This is just a little like welcome card, and let's see what it says here. Today we sent you one pair of each women's wild and crazy and pattern prints. Thank you for joining the family. Okay, so what I have, I always like go grab some information. So from what I can see, you get socks delivered straight to your door every month. High quality cotton, unique conversation starters and designs, all that good stuff. And I just told you about for every sock purchase they donate. High quality Peruvian cotton combined with stretch yarns for comfort and shape. These are made in Lima, Peru, by a family-run enterprise that treats its workers well and uses high-quality materials. I find that very important. They are from Culver City, California. They offer, and I will list all this in my description box, men's, women's, tweens, Panda Pal Kids, seasonal subscriptions, and bulk subscriptions. So let's say you have a business and you're doing a company picnic, a company event, and you want everyone to wear the same socks. A lot of times they do shirts, but now you can do socks also. Just contact them for like bulk items, and they'll work with you price wise, and maybe on designs. Select your style, select the number of pairs you receive, and select your subscription plan. I just have all the information down for all like men's, the styles, all that good stuff there. I don't think I have too much information on it. I mean, it's a sock subscription. I do believe it's $12 a month. And I wanted to show you the first pair of socks. And these are probably like shin. I doubt they're knee. They're probably not knee socks. So it's 85% Peruvian cotton, 10 nylon, 5 spandex right here. I think these are adorable. The pandas with the blue. I love socks generally. And then this pair is cute. I don't know the best way to show you this pair. Right here, like why can't I, like desert landscape-ish, that kind of stuff with the cacti. Definitely interesting. I don't want to pull the tab off. There's like a seagull sky. These are adorable, and they feel really nice. They do have some nice stretch. I think these are like normal size. It doesn't say it on here. Like a normal size, just like a normal size foot. Sometimes I get 4 to 9 when I get my socks, not 5 to 11 like normal. But I think these will be fine. So I wanted to, try to bring some new and different and just really cute ideas to show you that there is a subscription almost anything you could think of. Socks. I've brought underwear. I've brought bralettes, t-shirts, succulents, you know, books, jewelry. There's just so head to toe. Handbags. I mean, socks. You can get a sock subscription and receive socks. So this is probably like the bold, what did she say? She sent me wild and crazy patterns and prints. So this is probably wild and crazy pattern and prints. I have no idea which sock is which, but I think these are adorable. I would wear socks like this in the wintertime. I would not wear these in the summertime, just for my own personal preference. I like no show or like a low ankle sock. And I always wear socks when I have my shoes on. I do not like bare feet in like sneakers or shoes. That's just me personally. I have always worn socks, and I wear the invisible ones, the real thick, you know, whatever I have to do. But I don't even like to wear heels, and I don't wear pantyhose anymore. I mean, those days are gone. But I have the small little like foot ped things that I can put in heels that you can't see them. But I don't like bare feet in shoes at all. So these are pretty awesome for me to get. I think this is a wonderful, wonderful subscription. I love that they give back, and that is so extremely important these days. So I will pop a photo of this up on the screen. I will leave all their information so that you can go check them out for yourself and see if this is something that you would be interested in. I think this is a great, great little subscription bag. I like that they have different genres, if you want to say, you know, they have men's socks, and I did look at them on the website and thought that they were interesting. I love a man who's dressed up and has a suit on, and, you know, plain suit, because, you know, usually seats are more on the plain side, and you see the tie popped with the design, or when they sit down, you see it in their sock. That's the way of their creativity for them. And women are the same way. You know, if I have jeans on and I, you know, go to sit and I just see plain boring socks, well, you know, I wear plain boring socks. I would rather have this kind of cute sock on and be able to express your creativity in the socks that you get. So it's men's, women's. Tweens is from 9 to 11. Panda Pal Kids is 3 to 8. Seasonal subscription, so you can just get, I think you get 4 pairs on the seasonal, if I'm not mistaken. I wrote that down. Yeah, you get 4 pair when you sign up. And then the bulk subscription. So if you need to leave your info and they will contact you. I knew I wrote that down. So if that's something you need for, let's say you wanted to design a sock for your YouTube channel. I thought about that. I don't want to get into the merch. I just don't think it's appropriate right now for me. If you have a channel and that's what you're doing, you do you, boo. I'm going to do me. But I would, rather than, you know, mugs and t-shirts and all, you know, like, I think this would be a great idea to have my channel logo like on socks. Do it like with all different kinds of boxes, and maybe towards the top or something, do the unbox it. Remove my like name and stuff like that. I've thought about that, but I don't want to do that with t-shirts and mugs, and even, you know, because mugs, all that stuff can be expensive. These I think are more affordable. So I've been toying around with some ideas, but I want to wait a little bit till the channel gets a little bit bigger before I start diving into that kind of stuff. Let me know if you would be interested in anything like that. You know, I see, you know, the channel memberships. I just don't know if that's something I want to get into, or if you guys would even be interested in that. I don't have a problem at all with doing special content for members only, or having special giveaways for members only. I just would need your feedback on that kind of stuff before I would even invest any time in setting any of that stuff up. Obviously for memberships, I would keep it very affordable. It would not be, you know, super expensive, but that would be something I would have to maybe put a poll up. Would you guys be interested in anything like that? But a big thank you. That's enough on that self-promotion there. A big thank you to Sock Panda for sending this to me. I'm greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I love these. Can't wait to wear them and test out the quality, the washability, all that good stuff. So tell me in the comments down below if this is of interest to you. I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.